If you've been trying to remove an underline in Prezi and you're not seeing the usual formatting options like you would in other presentation tools, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. This is a simple fix, but if you're new to Prezi, it can be a little confusing at first because underline formatting is not added from the toolbar in the same way. So whether you added the line manually or you're trying to clean up text in your presentation, this tutorial will help you remove it fast. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Prezi presentation where you want to remove the underline. Make sure you're in the exact presentation and slide, frame or section where the line appears because you need to select the right object before you can delete it. Once you're inside the presentation, look closely at the underline you want to remove. In Prezi, underlines are often added manually, so you won't usually find a normal underline button in the toolbar to toggle it off. That means the easiest way to remove it is by selecting the line directly. To do that, double-click on the line. When you double-click, Prezi should highlight or activate that line so you know it's selected. If it doesn't select right away, try clicking directly on the line itself until it becomes active. Once the underline is selected, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the line from your presentation instantly. If the line was grouped with text or another object, you may need to click once or twice more to make sure you've selected only the underline and not the entire text box. If you accidentally delete the wrong item, don't panic. Just press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo it and try again. After deleting the underline, take a moment to review the slide and make sure everything looks the way you want. If there are other manual lines or formatting marks you no longer need, repeat the same process. Double-click to select, then press delete to remove them. That's really all there is to it. The key thing to remember is that Prezi handles underlines differently, so instead of turning them off from a toolbar, you remove them by selecting the line and deleting it manually. Now, you know how to remove an underline in Prezi quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful how-to videos, and comment below if you want more Prezi tips and tricks in the future.